In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zelle with Regions Bank. So it's actually quite simple. Over here, they actually have an article on how to do it. So it's very easy. You first have to either log in into Regions Online, which is via this website over here. So we can just go to their official website over here and click on Login. And it will get you to this site over here where you can put in your username and password. And after that, you can basically continue and access your account. Or, of course, if you don't have an account yet, you can basically start over here by clicking Enroll Now. And via that, you can start enrolling for an account with Regions Bank. So that's the first thing you can do, but you can also do that inside the Regions mobile banking app. So this is this app over here. In case you're banking on your mobile phone, you can download their mobile banking app, so the one from Regions, from either Google Play or Apple App Store. And after you've done that, and of course set up your app, connected to your account, and logged in or signed up, you'll then be able to start using Zelle. So the way you can do this is quite simple. You want to first go to Payments and then select Send Money with Zelle. And after that, you're basically in there. You just have to select the eligible accounts you'd like to use for payments and then confirm your email address and US mobile phone number. And after that, you will receive a one-time verification code. You will then have to enter the code and accept the terms and conditions, and Zelle will be in there and you'll be able to start using it with your Regions Bank. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.